Good morning students. Today we start a second chapter work and energy. This is chapter from the physics. ये चैप्टर हमारा बाकी था तो हम लोग अभी आज कंप्लीट करेंगे. First work. What is the work? See the pictures. You observe the pictures given on the page number 18. First picture देखो, second देखो, third देखो and fourth देखो. In which picture you said that the work is done. When you observe this picture, in which picture has work been done? Can you tell? Now see, generally any mental or physical activity is referred as work. जब हम फिजिकली और मेंटली एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं, then this activity is referred to be work. This activity referred as to be work. And when we walk, when we run, the energy in our body will be used to necessary that work. And we say that a girl who is studying is working or performing work. She is mentally and also physically working, but that is mental work. She is studying, that is mental work. In physics we deal with physical work. Work has a special meaning in physics, but physics में work has a special meaning. Physics में work को एक special meaning रहता है. In physics, when work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes displacement of the object. In physics, when said to be work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes displacement of an object. वर्क जब भी होता है, जब भी एक कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट पे हम लोग फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं तो उस ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्प्लेसमेंट होती है, तभी वर्क डन होता है. ऐसे फिजिक्स में कैलकुलेट किया जाता है. देन हाउ द वर्क इज कैलकुलेट. वी हैव सी you have already learned that the work is done when a force acting on that object, and because of that force, the product of magnitude of the force and the displacement of the object is in the direction of the force. The product of the force and displacement of that object is in the direction of the force. Therefore, the work is equal to force into displacement. In physics, the work is equal to force into displacement. Means W is equal to F into S. Okay. Now, S for displacement, you know that. Now see, you have learned how to calculate the work done when object is in direction. Means the displacement of the object in the direction of the applied force. Then, but if the displacement is not in the direction of the force, then how to calculate the work? See, you observe the pictures on the page number 18. Picture A, B and C. You observe that you must have seen that events depicted in the pictures B and C above. When a child pulls a toy with the help of string, the direction of the force is different from that of the displacement. The child pulled the toy with the string, the direction of the force is different from that of the displacement. जो फोर्स अप्लाई हुआ होता है उसके the direction of that displacement will be different from that object, direction of the object. And when a large vehicle tows a small one, the direction of a force and the displacement are different. Also, when a large vehicle pulls or tows the small vehicle, there are also the directions are the different of the displacement and the force applied on it. Now let us see how to calculate this work done in these cases. In these cases, when child pulls a toy, force is applied along the direction of the string. Child क्या करता है, वो टॉय पुल करता है, तभी क्या होता है, the force is applied on that string is in the direction of the string while the cart is pulled and along the horizontal surface. they pulled along the horizontal surface. So in this case, we calculate the amount of work done by the applied force into the force acting along the direction of the displacement. By the applied force into the force acting along the direction of the displacement. Now see, let us applied force, let us see, applied force will be the F1 and component in the direction of displacement in S, displacement will be the S. Therefore the amount of work done is equal to W is equal to F1 into S. W is equal to F1 into S. This is the first equation. Now second, see, the force F is applied in the direction of the string, that is at an angle with the horizontal. Let theta be the angle that the string makes with the horizontal. Now we can determine the component F1 of this force F, which acts horizontal direction by means of trigonometry. You know that cos theta here given, see that table, cos theta is equal to base into hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base is the F1 and hypotenuse the theta. Therefore F means cos theta is equal to F1 by F, and F1 is equal to F cos theta. Thus the work done by F1 is W is equal to F cos theta into S, displacement. Therefore W is equal to F S cos theta. F into S means displacement into cos theta. It means that, see, if theta means W is equal to Fs cos theta. If theta is equal to 0 degree Celsius, then cos theta is equal to 1. Then therefore the work done is equal to W is equal to F into S. Now if theta is equal to 90 degree, then cos theta is equal to 0. Therefore W is equal to 0, means work done is equal to 0. And if theta is equal to 180 degree, then cos theta is equal to minus 1. Therefore W is equal to minus Fs, means work is negative. Minus F is work is F into S, means work is negative. Means work has magnitude but not direction, thus it is a scalar quantity. Work has magnitude but it has not direction, so it is a scalar quantity, and the SI unit of the work is joule, J, and CJ's unit is erg. SI unit of work is joule, J, and CJ's unit is the erg, and 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Therefore 1 J is equal to 1 Newton meter, 1 Newton into meter, and 1 erg is equal to 1 dyne into 1 centimeter, 1 dyne into 1 centimeter, and 1 dyne into centimeter is equal to 1 joule into 10 raised to 7 ergs. 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 ergs. Now the positive and the negative and also the zero work. Positive, negative, and also the zero work. When the force acting on the body and the displacement of the body have in the same direction, the work done by the force is positive. What is the positive work? When the force acting on the body and the displacement of the body have the same direction, the work done by the force is positive. And when the force and displacement have opposite direction, when the force and the displacement have the opposite direction, the work is negative. The work done is negative, and the force and displacement are in the perpendicular to each other, then the work done is 0. See, positive work means what? When the force acting on the body and displacement of the body have the same direction. When the force acting on the body and the displacement of the body have the same direction, the work done by the force is positive. And when the force and displacement have opposite direction, the work done is negative. And when force and the displacement are in the perpendicular to each other, then work done is 0. Miss here, when the force and displacement are in the same direction, theta is equal to 0. The work done by the force is positive. And when the force and displacement are in the opposite direction, theta is equal to 180 degree. The work done by the force is negative. And when the applied force does not cause any displacement for or when the force and the displacement are in the perpendicular direction, the work done is 0. Okay. uh, Up to here I thought that you understand, and here we stop. Text homework. First question, what is work? What is work? Give the formula for work. Give the formula for the work. Second question, state the SI unit of work. State the SI unit of work. Third question, state the CGS unit of the work. State the CGS unit of the work. Next question, what is the positive work? What is the positive work? Next question, what is the negative work? What is the negative work? Next question, what is the zero work? What is the zero work? Okay, you complete your homework and send me on WhatsApp. 9th standard students who paid fees, send receipt on me, receipt to me on WhatsApp. Okay, and if you not paid fees, uh, otherwise you will be removed from the group. Okay, thank you. We stop here.